Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your stock options with Interactive Brokers, full guide step by step clearly. To scale your stock options with Interactive Brokers, first, log into your Interactive Brokers account. Navigate to the trading platform. Familiarize yourself with the layout, focusing on the option trading section. Choose the stock for which you want to trade options. Use the search bar to find the desired stock symbol. Select the stock from the results to open its detailed view. Next, locate the Options tab, typically found near the stock details. Review the available options for that stock. Look for different expiration dates to find the best match for your strategy. Consider the strike prices that align with your market predictions. Once you choose an expiration date, click on it to expand the options chain. Evaluate the call and put options available. Decide whether you want to buy or sell options. Select the desired option by clicking on the associated trade button. Input the quantity of contracts you wish to trade. Fill in any additional order details, such as limit price or market order. Double-check all details to ensure accuracy. Review the total cost and any commissions associated with the trade. Submit your order to execute the trade. Monitor your positions within your account management screen. Utilize alerts to stay updated on price movements relevant to your options. Consider scaling your position by repeating the steps if the market moves in your favor. Adjust your strategy based on market conditions and your investment goals. Continue to educate yourself about options trading to refine your approach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.